Did you know that China's first emperor literally poisoned the earth around his grave for over 2,000 years? Emperor Qin Shi Huang's tomb contains flowing rivers of liquid mercury that are still active today. Ancient Chinese texts described how these mercury rivers were designed to represent the Yellow and Yangtze rivers in his underground kingdom. Modern soil testing has confirmed this shocking reality. Scientists found mercury levels 100 times higher than normal around the tomb site. This 2,200-year-old environmental hazard has completely prevented archaeologists from opening the burial chamber. The toxic mercury would kill anyone who enters. Even more incredible, satellite imagery suggests the mercury is still flowing in the original design patterns underground. The emperor consumed mercury pills believing they would give him immortality. Instead, they likely killed him. But his obsession created the ultimate tomb protection that has lasted over 20 centuries. He turned his final resting place into a death trap that guards his treasures for eternity.